So, I've been asleep all day. So, right after I did all my tasks for work earlier, ang ginawa ko all day was slept. So, I just wanna maybe talk about mental health right now. Kasi it's a topic which is sometimes it's being shut down and sometimes it's being normalized na pag-uusapan. Well, right now, I'm glad na, all this mental awareness, hindi na siya yung topic na nasa-shut down anywhere we go. It's already it's being normalized na everywhere we go, diba? That it's okay to seek help, that it's okay to ask for help, that it's okay to seek therapy, psychiatrist, whatever that is na kailangan natin isik. Then, just recently lang, I was diagnosed with bipolar affective disorder. I know na I can go by without any meds. Kaso kasi, what it does with me since I'm on night shift, what it does with my sleeping schedule na di-disrupt kasi nga ang work ko is night shift. So, na-disrupt yung tulog ko. And once na na-disrupt ang tulog ng tao, it affects the circadian rhythm sa tao. And then, the more na nagiging, may sinabi yung doktor the more na hindi na normalize yung parang sa sleep hormones ng tao. I think like that. I'm not sure if it's the hormonal sleeping yung sa mood ba, it affects most especially the emotional highs and the lows. Lately, the past weeks, past months, ang mood ko lagi na develop since tapos lagi din ako walang tulog. Mahirap din kasi yung ganun is yung pagiging mainitin ng ulo ko. I'm telling you, bago pa man ako bumalik ng doktor, so I've been seeking psychiatrist ever since 2018. It's not a bad thing actually. Dapat periodically bumabalik sa doktor, kaso hindi kasi hindi advisable na ganun kasi meron nga silang binibigay na gamot. And the more na hindi ako bumabalik, the more na naapektuhan lang ako. So, the last time I went back there was around 2020. Ngayon lang ulit ako bumalik after 5 years kasi I don't know, something's just really so off na talaga. And my overthinking is really a lot. And I know it's hindi na tama. I'm being parang nagiging reactive na ako with so many things. Most especially at work, so I had to go back. Already, and that's one thing I want to normalize then, since I'm in the insurance industry, is alam ko that's covered under insurance once you go to the doctor, meron kasi sa MaxiCare, HMO siya, meron psychiatrist doon na once you present that card is you get a free I've been doing that since the past 6 months already. Free ako past 6 months ba? I think after 3 months ko siya nakuha medyo matagal din. past 3 months pala. So, I've been getting my laboratory, my meds, it's been going okay, actually. Tuloy-tuloy lang yung ano ko. But then I switched companies. Nag-switch ko ng company gawa nung it's a better pay. And okay lang naman din yung location sa akin. I work in Pasay already before. Wala namang problema yun. So, yun. Yun nga. So, when I was given a medicine sa doktor, what it does with me is tulog lang ako ng tulog. It's actually a good thing, and it's not actually a good thing as well na puro tulog lang ginagawa ko kasi maapektuhan lang din yung tulog ko. Hindi ako makakatulog na maayos sa gabi. So once I go and start to work again, it's gonna be the same schedule also. So it's really hard, you juggle in one work, insurance in the morning, BPO at night. It's not easy. So, I might choose to, alam mo yun, focus in one kaso ito na kasi nakasanayan ng katawan ko. Nakasanayan ko na rin, matagal ko na rin pinag-aaralan. So, andyan na rin siya. I have been responding good with the medicine na binigay ng doktor. I saw sa iba kasi they take melatonin. Wala naman ding problema doon. It's just that I wanted to seek doctor as fast as much as I can kasi of course ibang prescribe ng doktor, tsaka iba kasi ang sa melatonin, iba ang sa binibigay pag sa doktor, diba? I mean, it's a prescription from the doctor. Just be cautious then with the things that we buy over the counter kasi minsan hindi siya good for our it's still okay, it's still best to seek for help sa doktor. So yeah. Ngayon, I just want to normalize lang how it has already been helping me out. Kaso lately, I've been reactive with so many when I get annoyed, parang I don't know if I'm annoyed, if I'm just being reactive, if I'm being too sensitive. Hindi ko alam, really. So maybe that's why I wanted to share it here as well. Maybe I'm overreacting. I don't know. Ang hirap Ang hirap nung may ganito kang kasi you're not in a normal state but you wanted to be. Pero yung utak mo is just lang siya. Kalmado lang siya. Pero yung moods mo, yung emotions mo, it's a mess. Really, I cannot I don't know how to share it here, pero yun nga, kaya one thing that we should always prioritize is tulog. Kasi if we don't, then hindi talaga natin matutulungan ng ating mga sarili. So always seek to always choose to sleep. Kasi that's the, diba? Okay na yung sumobra yung tulog kaysa kulang. Okay din yung sobra yung tulog kaysa sa walang tulog, diba? So, ayun lang. Guess that's just it. Okay, bye-bye.